This video is in companion with the paper Nearby, a computer program for phytogeographic analysis using georeferenced specimen data. For your reference, I have included the link to this paper, which you can find, it's volume 17 from 2021 on kenosha.org. And I have also attached the website link for Nearby, should you have any issues accessing it via the paper itself. When you click on the Kenosha, this will be the page that you can find the link to the paper. This is the paper, and as we move through some of the demonstrations in the videos, just know that this paper explains a lot of these demonstrations in greater detail than I go through. So if you have questions regarding parameters or just wanted a little bit more in-depth explanation, you can find it in this paper. Let's get started. In this demonstration, I'm going to walk you through generating a single species flora using the Nearby Plant Finder. We'll start with the primary species or genus. Make sure that you are spelling your plant of interest correctly, otherwise you will have an error in that search. In this instance, I'm going to use Carnegie gigantea. That is the quintessential saguaro of Arizona. I'm going to zoom in and I will select Arizona, and I know it also spills into California just a bit, so I will also select California. If on this map feature you aren't able to see the states, just make sure that this little button here for Show US States is selected. If your search is going to include Canada or Mexico, you can also select for provinces and Mexican states to show up. There are other databases that Nearby collects from in addition to SignNet. So there's Neotropical, which includes a lot of the South America flora, and there's also a lichens database. So if that is of interest to you, go ahead and select those. I'm going to leave the search parameters as is. There's more information on those search parameters available in the paper associated with this video. I'm going to hit submit. And here I have a page generated with a table. So I want to draw our focus to this table and kind of the options that it offers us. First, I'm actually going to select Show Images. This is a really nice feature. It pulls from the images in SignNet, so I'm able to get pictures of all of these different species associated with saguaro. Inherently, the columns are sorted by percent secondaries near this primary. Secondaries near this primary. But if you wanted to sort it by a different column, you can just click that column, so you'll get a total secondary count. That is the total number of this specific plant found in these two states. And then moving from left to right, we've got 9 secondaries found near this primary, which means a very low percentage of Eriogonum fasciculatum are found near saguaro specifically. So if I did want to see higher percentages, I would click this column here, percent secondaries near this primary, and I would see that Cylindropuntia biglovii is 8.3% of the secondaries were found near saguaro. If I wanted to generate a flora, I could adjust it by family, and I would have a great list of these plants that are associated with this primary plant. In a future video, I will go over this map function, so for that, stay tuned.